Hey guys, it's Bill from Topaz. Hope you're doing well. Today I've got a 599 GTB for you. One of those cars that is an absolute cruiser, beast, V12, 612 horsepower, absolute beast, brute of a car. Obviously all on the rear wheels, very fast. That was actually one of the first cars that I got into where I thought that this actual sequential box on them was a good sequential box, in the sense that when you're driving it and you're going through the gears, it was phenomenally fast. Obviously the Scuderia was also very fast as well, but that's when I think it started changing to being super quick in terms of the changes. Produced from 2006 to 2012. It's nice to see cars. I mean, we deal with a lot of new cars, and it's nice to see cars that are coming in from the past to be maintained, to be brought up to the next level. The customer bought the car. He obviously loves it. He wants to bring it up to the next level, so he wants to be able to make sure that the paintwork is spot on. And also we did a few customized bits that really just elegant customized parts on the car that made it just finished it off. And you'll see what I mean when you watch the video. So anyway, I think you're going to enjoy this one. I'll catch up with you at the end. And there you have it, the 599 GTB is there behind me and it's been completed. You would never believe that this is an over a 10-year-old car. And to be fair, we've seen a lot of these cars before, we've seen them in my years of doing this, and this is one of the highest spec ones I've seen. Let's go through some of the details just to recap exactly what has happened. First things first, we've put a level 2 detail on this, meaning that we did an enhancement detail, 2 stages of paint correction to make sure the color really comes out, and if there's any minor imperfections on the clear coat, gets removed. Straight after that, we've applied paint protection film to make sure that we protect the vulnerable areas, the front area most importantly. As you can see, it's got a massive bonnet, so again, very prone to stone chipping. Another thing that we did as well is we then started customizing this car a little bit. We then removed the original badges and we replaced them with this carbon fiber version of it. Again, all small details make a big difference to the overall image of the car. Now, let's talking about carbon, let's go back to this side here. As you can see from before pictures or videos, you see that this wasn't obviously carbon, this was all painted in the same grey. This was all done as well. From the mirror base to the mirror stalks to the actual mirror itself, it's all been done in carbon fibre. And the carbon fibre as well is exactly the same as what's been used on the car and has been used in Ferrari. So let's go back to the back section of the car, where you can see there's a phenomenal diffuser at the back that's all now filled with carbon fibre, and you'll be able to see all the detail that goes through all the way to the end from edge to edge in carbon fibre. Again, these are all small details that make a big difference. I think this is obviously very, very 599 GTO-esque, and I think that's where the customer has got the inspiration from. And it really, as I said, matches the fact that this car's got a phenomenal creme interior and a very, very high specification on that. So there's some bits on the interior that we could potentially do a future sort of later time, which will be done, but yeah, it's absolutely stunning. And again, I can't believe this car is over 10 years old. It looks brand new. So anyway, hope you liked that video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. We will keep the content coming. Enjoy.